Hello everyone, my name is RAKSHITA from CST Trends startup company. Tech Trends product present name Airborne Message Transmitter, product proposed name Cloud Connect. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activities. Real-time communication by conveying message through the air. Cloud led to the development specialized sound wave that can carry message. Defined based on empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers. Many new features are added to existing product. Existing product in Airborne Message Transmitter, futuristic product in Cloud Connect. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Wide coverage, advancement in audio-based technology, reduced dependency on screen, effective receiving information through the air itself. Prototype as shown in the figure. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video of image your option to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.